Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record screen on your iPhone 11. Now currently, as you can see, I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now to record screen on your iPhone 11, just scroll down from the upper right corner on the display to open your control center. Now from here, if you cannot find the screen record shortcut in your control center, just tap and hold on the control center. Now from here, just tap on add a control. Now from here, just scroll down and select screen recording, just like that. Now from here, just tap on the empty space to save. Now once you have added the screen recording shortcut to your control center, just tap on it and it will start recording within 3 seconds. Now as you can see, our smartphone has started screen recording. And if you want to stop screen recording, just tap on the red pill at the upper left corner on the display and tap on stop. Now from here, as you can see, this is the screen recording we just saved. And this is how you can record screen on the iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.